guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to me, because I haven't really uploaded for a very long time. But yeah, I've missed it, I just haven't had the time. I want to explain everything in this video. I am probably going to forget something, but I just wanted to sit down and do my makeup, chit chat and update you guys. So that is what this is. Just wanted to jump back into this with a kind of update video. I didn't feel like just uploading some kind of makeup tutorial without addressing that I haven't been uploaded for almost a year. But yeah, I really hope you enjoy and want to watch this video until the end and hear all my updates and interact with me and subscribe and like and follow, and everything is in the description box. And I probably forgot something, but I just have to get into this again, so give me a break. But enjoy! I have a developing tan on, so I am going for a quite a lot darker foundation. Oh, but before my foundation, I'm just gonna apply a tiny bit of my Too Faced HangoveRX primer. I already have applied all my oils and moisturizer and everything, but I can always use a bit more moisture. And then I'm just applying the SMASHBOX Studio Skin 15-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation, and I'm not sure what name it is, but oh! And then I'm just blending it in. I haven't uploaded to YouTube in, I think, 8 months or something. At my old place, here comes all the excuses. But at my old place, the lighting and the sound is really bad. It might be a bit echoey still, because the new apartment is still quite empty. This won't be like my filming area once we're done decorating, but for now I think this is okay. And I missed filming so much, so I thought I would start doing it again. I've just been so busy, to be honest, so that's my excuse why I haven't uploaded. Maybe I have to zoom in a tiny bit so you can actually see what I'm doing. See, it's not matching perfectly, but I think when the tan is developed it would be okay. I'm just applying a tiny bit of my BECCA under eye corrector, brightening corrector. I have a lot of darkness around my eyes, and I don't really like a heavy concealer, so just blend this in with a finger, just to like take the worst of the darkness. And then I go in with my DECAY Naked Skin Concealer, which is the only one I've used for the last 8 months. But yeah, as I said, I've moved in with my boyfriend. We live in central Copenhagen, and it's great. We love living together, and I can decorate the place as I want because he's so sweet and he doesn't really care. But again, it takes a lot of time to get settled. Like, he didn't have a lot of furniture to begin with because he lived here with a roommate, so he only had furniture for one room. And when we moved in together, we just really wanted our stuff, which is kind of a luxury problem. But we bought a new couch because mine was too small. I lived in a tiny apartment before, so I had a tiny couch. He had like a couch bed. I'm not sure what they call it, but you can fold out the couch to a bed. That was really good for him when he just had one room, but we wanted a more like living room area where we could have guests and it would be comfortable. So we bought a huge couch and a new closet. We needed some storage, and we still need a lot of storage because we have a lot of crap. I don't think I'm going to set my face. The concealer doesn't really crease that much on me, only on my eyelids, but I'm gonna apply some eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna let the base set by itself and then move on to my eyes. I zoomed you in a tiny bit so you can see my really bushy eyebrows. I'm trying to grow them out again. I will try and shape them a tiny bit with my Benefit KaBrow. My tripod is broken, so when I zoom in, the lens go too far out and it flips over. So I've zoomed out a tiny bit. For my eyeshadow, I am going to use the Naked Heat palette. I've used this once before. It's really dirty. So first I'm just gonna go in with Ounce, which is the lightest color. It's kind of shimmery, shiny, I don't know. It's not really a totally matte color, but it's not shimmery or anything. It just has a tiny bit of luminosity to it. I'm just gonna apply that kind of all over. I am going in with Sauced, and I'm just gonna apply that all over the crease from inner to outer corner. And this is our transition color. I think I want to do kind of a halo eye, and then with He Devil I am going to apply this on the outer and inner corner. Just with the same blending brush, and then pack it on and blend the edges. And then with Fuego, I am just going to deepen up the outer and inner corner even more. I'm applying it kind of messy because I'm just gonna go back with the previous brush and color and blend out. So I'm just gonna buff the edges. And when you're kind of happy with the blending, I feel like I never get really satisfied when blending. I know you have to sit and blend for a million years, but my eyelids are quite hooded and it makes it really difficult to blend it evenly. So I don't think I can get it more even than this. For the center of my eyelid, I am going to use my STILA Magnificent Metal Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in Rose Gold Retro. I'm just gonna apply some on my hand and apply it on my lid with a brush. Then I'm just gonna apply it in the middle. So this is kind of a halo cut crease. I think I want to go in with a tiny bit more concealer. Just to try and cover some of the glitter, and because of the heavy eye makeup, I think it kind of makes my under eyes look even worse. So I need another layer, and I'm just gonna blend it out. And I am now applying a tiny bit of my Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Powder to set my concealer. I am just going to apply some of the same crease colors underneath my eyes. So I'm just gonna start out with He Devil and apply it all the way. Just with the same brush as we used on top. I'm just using the tip of it and the pencil brush with Fuego just on the outer corner, just to kind of tie it in. Oh. And some blendy. And I think that's it for the eyeshadows. I'm going to apply some mascara and some lashes. So I'm just gonna prime my own lashes for the falsies. I think actually I'm gonna apply the false lashes first for once. I made the mistake for Halloween to color my natural hair with I think it's the L'Oreal Color Riche hair color, fashion color stuff. So I colored my hair blue and I kind of liked it. Like the first 3-4 days it had this really cool silvery dark blue color, but when it faded it became green, like weird seafoamy green color. It was not good because the color only stained some parts of my hair, kind of like the middle of my hair. If you follow me on Instagram, I will link to it down below. Please go follow me if you don't do that already. I uploaded a like before and after, so you can see how long my hair was and how green it was, and then how it is now. I think it's really short. I know I don't have short hair, but at least for me, because it was finally getting long again, I feel like it's so short. I'm used to having extremely long hair, and I haven't had that for the last few years, and I don't really feel like myself. I think it's because I'm getting older. I just want to be a teenager again. No, I don't want to be a teenager. I just don't want to approach 30 yet. I have been using Rodeo Lash for the last probably 8 months, and my eyelashes are getting so long. The good thing about it is that I don't really need to use mascara. I just curl my lashes for every day. I don't know, I just don't really like mascara. I do like the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash for my lower lashes, but I don't like it for my top lashes, so I can't just wear this on my lower lashes and nothing on top, so I only use this when I wear false lashes. I have been enjoying the Hoola Light. Even though I wear fake tan, I still really like this color. I just use a Real Techniques powder brush, I think it is, from the Pro collection or something, and apply it. Because I have quite high cheekbones naturally, I don't feel like I need to contour. I'm just gonna bronze and my forehead a tiny bit. My current favorite blush is Melba from MAC. I've had this for years, and for highlight I am going to use another one of my favorites, which is OFRA. I can't remember it right now, but I will link it down below. This is the OFRA highlight palette, but I'm just gonna apply a tiny bit because it's really pigmented, and blend it out on my cheeks. I can't get enough of this. I just have to pile it on. I can't help it. So pretty. And maybe also a tiny bit on my inner corner. I think I'm gonna use the two light colors in this to highlight my inner corner, just to really... Oh, that was a bit too white. Maybe I'll mix with the bronze color. Better, much better. My camera just died, so if the lighting or something has changed, I put on a hoodie because I was freezing. I just ate some food, so if I have food in my teeth, that's why. But yeah, I had just highlighted my inner corners, and the only thing we are missing are the lips. I think I wanna keep it in like the warm tones and do a kind of dramatic lip. I am going back to one of my winter favorites. This is Kat Von D's Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Lolita 2. And as always, I overdrew my lips a lot. I think I want to lighten it up a tiny bit with Bow and Arrow. It's because it's a bit more red than the eyes. And Bow and Arrow is kind of grey. Last but not least, I am going to spray my face. And I have Fix Plus in Coconut. And this is the finished look. I'm sure there is a lot more that I haven't updated you on, but this was just like a few highlights that I felt I needed to address. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching. And until next time, please take care.